Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this bench. So let's get into it. First thing we'll do is put on these side legs. You'll just line up the dowels. And then we'll take our nuts here and we're just going to put these in so that the holes are facing outwards so that the bolt can go into them. And then just make sure that the screwdriver bit is facing up so we can adjust it if necessary. So we'll go ahead and drop each of these into these holes on the outside. And then we'll take our longer bolts, which are bolt A, and we'll put those into the outside. And you can reach down into the hole and hold the nut with your fingernail if necessary. That can help just get it lined up. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put in the other side. Okay, and then we'll take bolts B, which are the shorter bolts, and those will go into the middle hole. These ones don't have a nut, so they just go in on their own. And then we'll take our hex key and tighten them all completely. Okay, once they're all tight, we can go ahead and flip it over, and we're done. We hope this video is helpful for you, and for more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.